What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another video. Feels like it's been a while, but today what I'm gonna do is go pick up some wheels for the Soarer. They are some option lab. I mean, I haven't heard of that. They're not gonna be no T37s or work wheels or nothing expensive, just because not that I don't care much about the car, but I don't want it to be I guess I don't care that much about having the real wheels on this. It's not like a Supra to me, or NSX or RX-7. It's not nothing like that to me for where I have to go, or I feel like I have to go the real deal route. So I will be putting these wheels. I do like them. They don't have tire, which is not the biggest issue. I mean, it's a simple thing. I'll just buy new tires or used tires. It's not a big deal. They will be 19 by 9.5 plus 20 all around, which I should have slight poke in the front, which is fine. And then I should be flush with the rear quarter panel, which I'll probably add a little 10mm spacer or something and add a little bit of camber. I think it'll look really good. They're not that far. It's a 40-minute drive. Mr. Box, I called Mr. Box. He said he wanted to go, so I'm gonna go pick him up right now. And yeah, we'll see how they look. I hope they look good when they're on. I probably won't be putting them on in this video just because I don't have the tires yet. At first I wanted to buy the rim with the tires on it. Most people sell them like that if they're used. These are used, but that's not the case in this thing. So I'm gonna go pick them up, and then I'm gonna try and find some tires ASAP and slap them on, and then go from there. I'll show you when we get to Mr. Box's. We got Mr. Box over here. Say hello to the vlog. We got TK.
What's up?
We're about to crash, you know. We're hitting traffic because Mr. Box took forever coming out. Taking a shit. Oh no. The dingleberries. One eternity later. Should I drive around the complex or building? Oh, I think it's this one. I think that's it.
Oh yeah, that's it.
We're gonna put the camera away. I need my mask.
40 on the backup camera. But it's a dual cam though, it's not a single.
These are the wheels. Option Lab. Pretty cool guy. He has a bunch of shit. We even bought some jump starter. 25 bucks each, and he said it jumps diesels, V8s, and everything, so
Can't beat that.
I think it's worth a shot for 25. TK got one and I got one. It's not bad. He has a first gen RX-7 and a Prelude.
That's cool. That's pretty cool.
Mr. Box is gonna swap a Chevy 350 into one of these. These are, for how old it is, it's pretty straight.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
This torch.
It's cool. I like the color.
See, if that one is a stick shift, it'll be like. I mean,
Yeah.
maroon.
My dad used to have one this color back in the day.
And
It's cool.
It's actually the engine's pretty clean, dude.
but this
Yeah.
color, it kind of, I don't know, either people like or no. I know it's a friend that don't have the parking space.
I think we're gonna try out the jump start one in this car.
Dude,
Cool.
everything there is pretty-
It's cool. Tight fit, but it works, and we all fit. Feels
Pretty nice.
What do you think, TK?
Nice
I
offset.
like the color too.
They're pretty cool. I mean, I paid $350. Can't go wrong with $350, and then we couldn't go wrong with a $25 jump start, whatever the fuck.
Pretty cool.
Cool guy.
Charge phones on the go, flashlight.
He had a bunch of stuff right there. He was like sold stuff on eBay, cameras. He had a gang of oil filters,
Oh yeah.
exhaust, Oh no, he was a pretty cool guy though.
The car guy.
I'm pretty sure I would have bought more shit if we would have walked through his warehouse.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure we'd come out with more.
Looked around and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think, and stuff was actually cheap.
As soon as we walked in, I saw Jaime looking around.
Yeah, I was like, well, I mean, I gotta take something else.
Well, the thing is, we're not paying like shipping and handling fees. We're buying the stuff straight from him, so it's cheaper.
I like good deals, so
Yeah.
why not?
Hot sales.
Yeah, I was gonna tell him I could look around, but like, nah. I'm gonna just. It was more about I'm gonna buy it because it was cheap. It's not more. It's not really because we need it or anything,
Yeah,
but
we
you're
don't
buying
need
it because it's cheap.
We don't need
He
it.
had like a camera for the car, front camera, rear camera, $40. It's like, I mean, probably don't need it. I mean, I could drive. I'm a pretty badass driver, but I mean, for $40, I'm sure you'll throw it on something. I'll throw it on
Yeah.
Turbo's
On the
RC car to get.
The daily driver.
Yeah. Like,
Can see everything.
oh shit, she looks pretty clean.
Yeah, no, it's pretty nice.
Sick. Now we gotta drive home. 39 minutes.
Not bad.
We're gonna stop by Walmart. TK's gonna do oil change on his Genesis, Royal Purple.
Oh yeah. K&N filter.
Dang, it's gonna be faster with 10 horsepower faster.
Turbo cars. A lot of.
It's gonna gain power.
We're gonna add a Lucas additive.
A Lucas for the smoke that is blowing, but kind of hungry. Like eating way, something Italian.
Something foreign.
Something Italian, so you said Little Caesars.
Hey, it's Italian way. Get the Italian breadsticks y todo, güey.
For the low price.
Italian dinner, güey.
He said let's go for the eBay pizza, Amazon special.
Of course, for $5, güey.
We all eat for $5.
We all eat.
It's not a bad deal.
We just bought expensive wheels. We gotta eat cheap pizza. Güey.
That's how the car game is. Where you buy cheap. I mean, you buy expensive parts and you eat on the low way.
We're not gonna eat for until tomorrow. Güey.
Couple of noodles.
Isn't this for that picture I sent you
Oh, that yeah, on the IG.
with the stick?
What do you recommend for high mileage cars, Lee?
Extended performance, because we're all about the performance.
No, you should get the one that lasts all year.
Oh yeah, so we will change it.
There's a mobile one annually or something like that, no?
For lazy people like you.
What do you think, TK? You want that one? If you treat it right, it'll last you 2 years.
20,000 miles?
No, the whole year. I think it guarantees the whole year.
This is the real horsepower right here, man.
20,000 miles? I do like, le meto like 8.
Oh, yeah. Not bad. $25, 20,000 miles. How long is that? Like 2 years?
You don't gotta change it for 20,000 miles.
It's not bad.
Fucking 2.5 years.
That's a come up right here. You really brought us to Little Caesars, way?
Lunch is on me, boys.
Fucking guy.
YouTube has been paying
You
good.
couldn't get us Pizza Hut?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
The wings are coming with.
Did this one get wings?
Didn't get wings?
Breadstick?
Cheesy crust?
God damn.
You guys asked for too much, bro.
I should have just ate the beans at home then.
You guys asked for too much, man.
No way.
I upgraded them to extra cheese and sauce.
Here's TK's Genesis. Filthy. Damn, you don't have no chance either.
I have a sticker, I just keep forgetting to take that shit off.
You just put a sticker over it? Pretty clean, pretty clean. The loudest thing in the world, dragging a jack.
Harbor Freight for the win.
2.0 turbo. Boombox is gonna knock out this oil change real quick. A bunch of illegal mods. How much power are you making, TK?
No eBay parts here, bro.
How much power?
150.
Damn. This bad boy street tune.
Like 220 horsepower.
350 to the wheel, right? No man.
Automatic.
Knock out the oil change way. Don't look at the pizza over
Cooling
here.
off with-
This ain't for you. Don't look over here. Looking real professional to see.
You don't fit no more.
Yeah.
Of course, bro.
I'll record you from the waist up.
No backyard mechanic.
Ask again, ask again.
Who's gonna back me up?
Who's gonna back him up and go to
Rock, paper,
TJ?
scissors, rock, paper, scissors.
Who's gonna back him up for TJ?
No.
I'm just a cameraman. I can't go to TJ. I won't come back.
I don't have papers with. You don't see this fucking
We're not
face?
in a
I
cross.
have fucking beaner.
We're not in a cross.
I'm going.
Still,
I
this
told
is
you,
a
I
big
don't know.
joke.
I was hoping cross, bro.
No one's trying to back him up then? You're not trying to back. What a fucking. Oh, you're a dick. Like,
You're
no
not a
one?
bro.
Damn.
He's not even gonna buy me beer like this.
Dang.
Got you one beer.
So it's the next day. Let me give you guys a better look at the wheels. I like the design. They're Option Lab. I've never heard of them, but not a big deal. Like I said, it's not the SC300. I mean, the Soarer SC300 is a badass car, but it's not like a legendary car for me where I had to go expensive with the wheels. But I mean, they were cheap reps, but I like the design, and I think it should look pretty damn good. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this vlog. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. Go ahead and comment how you guys think it's gonna look on the car. I'm gonna try and find tires now and put them out. Probably slap them on the next video. Still gonna get balsam and all that, but yeah, go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.